Hey guys, what's up? It's Luke here, and welcome to day 7, unfortunately, the final day of 1 week in Cornwall. Now, first priority of the day, I need to get day 6 uploaded because I did intend on making this a series of videos in which I would not, a time in which I would not only vlog, but upload on the same day that I did those things. Throughout the video, and when I attempted to upload day 6, I was here in this hotel room, and there's only one place in the hotel room where you can get Wi-Fi, and the one place where you can get Wi-Fi in this room sucks. Like, it really sucks. Well, for me at least, anyway. So what I'm gonna do, you can probably guess what's going on with my parents. They're going to have breakfast, but what I'm gonna do first priority, after having recorded this clip, go in there and get day 6 uploaded, because I don't want to keep you guys waiting, and I'm sorry that day 6 has been delayed somewhat to a degree, but I promise you guys, I'm going to get ready to go to the bar area and get day 6 uploaded. Not entirely sure what we're going to do today, but hopefully we'll do something cool, so I'll see you guys then. Check it out, guys. We are in the St. Nectan's Glen area right now, and look at this waterfall. Awesome. Looks awesome. Sounds awesome. I just don't want to get in it because it would be very cold. It would be very cold, but it looks great. Well, you guys may remember that on day 4 of the break of our time here, there were a ton of areas with a ton of coins. Well, look at this! You might not be able to see it, but see, look at that! Coins have been buried in, or somehow been wedged into the coins have been wedged into the blog. I don't know how that happened, but it did happen. And we got more of a stream. Whether that's coming from the waterfall or not, no idea. But hopefully we'll find out soon. Oh, okay. So we are here at this more of the stream, but there's this little what are they, like little pebble rocks on top of a big rock. Very interesting. Well, here's more of the stream. I'm going down technically. Oh, and there's some of it that's going up. Yeah. Some of it's going up, and then there's even some water on the floor. But oh well, looks cool. We got some more. We got some more stream and this. Left, right, and blooming centre. Walking around here. It's a blooming mission. I think you guys will agree to that if you were here yourselves. As usual, got more stream to talk about. More stream as it's going over those rocks and whatnot. It's awesome. We got a waterfall right here. Check out the view of that waterfall right there. Now, that's awesome, if I do say so myself. Here's the waterfall. So I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but when it's not all the way up there, and then further down, it falls into a hole, and then it's flat right here, and it's supported by all this. Brilliant! So yeah, that is awesome, and I like it a lot. Well, as you saw, I showed you guys the waterfall, and I am standing in the mist. But look at these, look at the rocks right here. They're really cool. I think there's some of the coolest rocks that you can see from the time. It's just awesome. There's no other way I can say it. Is this normal? Look, seriously guys, look at this. It's not this rock here, and then it's got like blood on it. As if it's like blood or lava. I have no idea, is that normal or not? Someone please tell me. Well, we're on the way back, sadly. It was good, I liked it. Though to be fair, you do not, if you're somebody like me, whose balance isn't very good, then be prepared when going up, and especially when going down, for a ton of steep steps. Hey guys, so we're currently having lunch right now, and the drinks have arrived, and this is my drink, vanilla milkshake. I think it's gonna taste good. Well, the lunch itself has arrived, and some down sandwich that wasn't supposed to have any salad in it, and some crisps. Hopefully it's gonna taste alright.
It's like you like
Okay guys, so
it's a problem.
I'm trying this drink. It's a Bex.
You like my logic, don't you,
It's a
Kat?
Bex.
Come on, what's your problem?
It's a Bex Blue
Can't take a picture.
non-alcoholic beer with lemonade. And apparently that's a type of shandy, so we're gonna have a look and see if it tastes any good. What are you laughing at? What are you laughing at? Dad, what are you laughing about?
He's not, just ignore him and carry on with what you're doing. How is it?
It's alright. It's not something I'd have on an everyday basis, but it's alright. Well, we are looking at a deep blue sea right now, which stretches miles upon miles upon miles upon miles and miles and miles and miles, and there are a ton of people in it. Well, we're just waiting for the next Land Rover to come up, so yeah, that's what we're doing at the moment, guys. The tide of this beach is already coming in. It's already coming in, guys, and it looks like it's taken up the majority of the beach. Well guys, that's going to do it for the end of this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. And again, as always, be sure to leave what was, in your opinion, the best moment of, unfortunately, the final day for this in the comments section below. But anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys again soon. So goodbye, and you've been warned.